Hello, my name's Alan. I'd like to introduce to you NJT McMullen Pty Ltd, trading as McMullen Builders, Beanie Plumbing, Nordic and Norco. Role as the company's engineer is to provide technical support to the guys in the field and also look after commercial estimating.
My name is Neville and I'm the company's Managing Director, and I'm proud to be part of this business based in Whyalla. And our company looks after a whole myriad of types of work that we do in this city, from trade services through building construction and more recently in manufacturing.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and I work in the marketing side of the business. I'm based here in Adelaide but work very closely with the team in Whyalla as well.
I'm Tammy, I'm one of the directors of NJT McMullen, and I would like to show you how our progress is going and how we book in a job for our company. If we go over here to Lyle.
Hello, I'm Lyle. I'm about to show you our scheduler and how it interacts with our GPS system over here. I insert a job by going into the scheduler. This is our job card. That is part of the job process. Gives you the customer's name, details, the body of the document with our kits that are imported in it, which gives us our labour codes. That interacts with where our guys are on site. If I hone in on here, you can actually see where they are pinpointed on the map, which is also connected to Google Maps. This way we can accurately check and measure time and record it onto the job card.
Norco workshops. This is where our manufacturing happens. We make kitchens, security products, aluminium products, and we also do roll doors out in the factories. New punches, new benches, new saws, new air conditioning.
This is one of the older forklifts that we inherited when we purchased the business in 2014. In the last couple of months we've purchased a new forklift as our commitment to the people at the factories. Okay, so we've completed a lot of work in the fabrication area in our factories over the last 12 months, which has included minimising our wastage. I'll get you to follow me through. We've set up these cut racks so that we can have our cut-offs be able to be reused for manufacturing. So our wastage went from about 30% down to about 5%. Hugely beneficial. Come through, I'll show you. We set up all these glass racks for cut glass as well. So instead of glass being wasted and thrown away, we now reuse this glass and it's saving us lots of money. It's good business practice. We set up all of our benches to have all the equipment, everything around all four sides, including air and power, to these units so that they can be used for any trade without having overhead gear hanging around, creating tripping hazards as well. Things like a guillotine, we've gone through our fabrication and looked at where we can put felt on things to protect surfaces. This has been about reducing wastage and improving the quality of our equipment.
This is cut stock from full lengths that can still be used. Rather than putting it in scrap bin, we keep it here so it can be used on other jobs.
So we've been quite busy over the last few months, and I'm just going to do a really quick recap of some of the things that we said that we would get sorted in Module 1. So we said that we would look into grants, and we found one. So we applied for a $550,000 grant toward adding asbestos, mold removal and contaminated materials removal as a new product line into our business. This isn't offered currently in the area, and it is on high demand, and so it's a 1-for-1. What they input, we will equally invest. It's all an initiative from the state government about business growth, local business growth, and so they're injecting $20 million into the region, and we are hoping to get a piece of that. We will find out in 2 months, which is very exciting. Another point was revisiting our top 5 clients and targeting 2 new additional clients. So we actually completed quite a large development in Whyalla, and so we invited more than 5, probably 8 to 10 clients for a private inspection, and we held that on a particular day, and we took them through to show them our quality outcomes, what we stand for, investing into the community and so on. And so that was a really hands-on way to be able to show our clients what we can do and the quality that we can produce. And in terms of targeting 2 new additional clients, we have registered ourselves with BHP as a supplier, and so this is our main target client. So we've done this actually through a portal that's been set up for local suppliers to be able to access BHP without the rigours or the normal complexities. And so we took that opportunity to apply on the portal. So we're now registered, and we're just waiting to see what happens there as well. On the marketing side of things, we have had a complete overhaul in the way that we approach our marketing. We've reviewed those 3 C's and their output into the 4 P's and what that looks like for us. I've actually engaged and been speaking with a marketing freelancer, which has been a really cost-effective way of getting some fresh, innovative ideas for our marketing. And really keeping the cost down there as well, rather than going to a large corporate. An output of our analysis and our strategy has been looking at the website, looking at the way that we do our social media, and so that's coming together. We've got some draft websites that are starting to take place, and it's really, really exciting. One of the other things was apprentice training. We have actually hired 3 new employees, which is very exciting. Vehicles, we have purchased 2 new vehicles, and we've completely decked them out, and they are ready to go for our guys, so we're well on our way.
One of the commitments we gave when we were at Module 1 was we were going to research a tracking device for our plant and equipment. Now, the system that we looked at didn't quite fit what we were after, and it didn't suit us. So we've now implemented this program, which is a check-in, check-out system. We'll be implementing this along with a CCTV system in our tool shed. So the guys will be able to, number one, see what's in there, know what's on the tracking system here, but we can also manually check ourselves. Now, I'll just quickly run you through. This is our system for creating shop fronts and aluminium products. So you can see here, this is the basic design that we've got. We then go to here where we create a fabrication report. So if I create a fabrication report here now, it'll pop up here. This now gives the guys all of the necessary profiles and also the cutting lengths. So it's a complete package. What it gives us is we give this to the guys out in the factory. They've got a complete list for cutting.
After our recent Module 1 process that we went through with the UniSA, we came back all invigorated, and of course I went through a list with my team, and we started to go through the process of how we can effect change and develop plans and processes moving forward in preparation for Module 2, but also so the company could have some sustained growth into the future.
So we've been very busy, as you can see. We are so excited for Module 2, and we can't wait to see you there. Thanks.